The Zone School of Healing has live events. Now the live events are open to Zone School members and non-members alike. So you can be a member of Zone School and come to a live event, or you don't have to be a member of Zone School yet and still come to a live event, no problem. Live events are taught pretty much every month, sometimes 2 a month, sometimes 1 a month on weekends. If you go to zonetechnique.com and you click on the live events tab, it tells you where they are, when they are, you can register, all that. It happens. I'm teaching one in Berkeley in August coming up. I'm teaching actually an advanced one only for Zone School members who are actually advanced in Vegas in September. I'm teaching in Des Moines, Iowa in October, and also in England, Oxford, England, later in October. And I'm teaching a mastermind. We have an advanced mastermind for advanced Zone School members. I'm teaching that in Atlanta in November. And pretty much, I just taught this month, I taught one in, was it this month or I don't know, recently. I taught one in St. Paul, Minnesota and Omaha, Nebraska. Highly attended, people love that stuff. And for December, because I don't have one set for December yet, I was thinking about Miami or Hawaii, but we'll see how that goes. For 25 years, all I used with my patients was my hands. So people will come in for 25 years, lay on a flat bench, I use my hands, takes 2 minutes, we balance their body, that's it. No vitamins, no herbs, no needles, no nothing. Not too long ago, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna create a line of vitamins that go with the zone adjustments. Now, are they necessary? No, obviously not. If we have these spectacular results for 25 years, do you need zone vitamins? No. However, some people like vitamins. So I wanted to make a vitamin for each zone. So I have a glandular vitamin, an eliminative vitamin, a nerve vitamin, a digestive vitamin, a muscular vitamin, and a circulatory vitamin. So I don't give them to all my patients, but I give them to some, and they're very powerful. 6systemsvitamins.com, 6, S-I-X, systems, plural, vitamins, plural.com, has all the info, and you can order some and check them out.